everybody, it's 16 minutes past 3 p.m. here in Brisbane on Wednesday, the 5th of July, and I am looking to pick up a fight with New York Sugar. Now, it's been a slow start to the week. It's been US public holiday, but I am very excited about this opponent. So, obviously, the market currently is closed. This is the last printed price. I want to take a look here on the daily. Now, let's zoom out on the daily, and we can see that we had a very strong uptrend over here. And the level that I want to look at is this purple line of mine around the 2410 area. We can see on the daily it was the origin of the move that pushed to a higher high. Then we pull back into the averages, try to go higher, but failed very close to the high. And for those of you who've been around on the Knockout Trader, you know that I absolutely love this kind of situation when we come very close to the previous high but can't take it, because this is for me a sign that the sellers are looking to take control. But it's going to be a while because this thing has been running for quite a long while. It's been a strong buying pressure. So we started to trend lower. We came back again into that purple line, tried to push higher, gave it a second push, but this whole move couldn't go any higher than the previous swing high. So giving us on the bigger picture a lower high. Then the sellers came back fast, pushed the price into that level once again, a very small bounce and a strong break through it. So what I'm looking for is a simple pullback into this area and any signs that these sellers are taking control again around that area. So it was a strong sell. It's due a bit of a pullback. If I'll take the Fibonacci retracement of this latest move, we can also see that this significant level, this 2410 area, is clustering very nicely with the 50% retracement. So for an offense line, I'm looking for a pullback into this area. Any sign that the sellers are taking over, which means I don't really mind if it go a little bit higher toward this low over here and then starts to roll over. Any signs that the sellers are coming back, and this is my offense area. Now, let's take a look here on the weekly chart. And on the weekly, we can see that we've changed direction. We were in quite a strong uptrend and a very strong push that we had here. Pulled back into the averages, couldn't push higher, made a lower high, breaking off that significant level, and a lower low. So this spike on this level, it's the last place that the buyers had any power in them to push the price higher. So I absolutely love this area. Now, if we'll take a look on the monthly chart, however, we can see that we had a very strong push to the upside. It's not really in an uptrend technically because this low is lower than this previous low. However, we can see it was a very strong momentum, and this sell-off that we've been seeing, that downtrend on the weekly and on the daily, is simply a pullback to catch up with the averages on the monthly chart. But let's zoom out a bit and take a look at the significance of this purple line, this level. We can see it's been a level of support and resistance in the past. So there's a bounce from here, a pullback to test it from below, another touch over here. So this level has been a very strong level on this market in the past. As we can also see on this area, and a market with the green line is the previous swing high over here. And when we move back into the daily, we can see there's a bit of consolidation underneath this level. So this is the green line, and you can see a little bit of consolidation. So I'm looking for this green line to be my knockout area. But since this market on the higher time frame is still in an upward direction, I'm also looking for a bit closer line for my point win. And that is going to be above the high of this bullish candle, so in and around that 2310. So to summarize, my offense line sits around this purple line and the 50% retracement. I am looking for the buyers to push the price into my offense area. Then I'll be looking for any signs that the buyers are running out of momentum and the sellers about to take control. This is when I'm going to start my punching. I'm going to take my offense, then I'll be looking for point wins around this 23.10 and my knockout around the 21.30 area. As always, because this one is against the direction of the higher time frame, the monthly chart, I'll be looking to move my defense line as this fight progresses. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.